piano and the silence it prevents. What does it do at night with all the libraries of sound where I've broken my heart playing something that's nothing until I play it? Improvisation is the good fortune of notes, too sacred to become souvenirs. The ones that let my hands touch what human certainty has failed to deliver. The loneliness of another room vanished into a conversation I keep having, even though it could kill me. Now they ask if I will play again. And I say I don't know, with a rare tenderness, almost in flames. You'll have to ask someone else, I say. All those beautiful moments, they never belonged to me.